Hey friends, if Event Viewer is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the Windows Event Log service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now, this list is in alphabetical order, so I will scroll down to the section for W. There's something called as Windows Event Log. Right click on it and select Restart. The next solution is to update Windows to the latest version. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Check for Updates, and an update is already available. I'll have to download and install it. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. The next solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on open system restore. Click on next, select a good restore point, click on next, and finally click on finished. The last solution is a cloud reset. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery. Now click on reset PC, click on remove everything, and make sure that you have a backup of all of information, and then finally click on cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.